if we want to have smart energy, then we need to have energy conservation mechanism. Most of the countries are recommending it. First part is energy conservation, then energy efficiency, use the efficient devices, and then go for the renewables. This is what the energy pyramid is there. Now, question arises, how we are going to provide electricity to our metros, our electric trains, our bullet trains, our electric vehicles. If you are going to use conventional power stations, which are predominantly using coal and natural gas to produce electricity, then you are shifting pollution only away. And all of us know that though this pollution is shifted because of the wind direction and other thing, they can come back to cities again. So though our efforts are there to reduce pollution in cities, but then one of the important part of the equation is how we provide that electricity. Do we provide in a smart way or a conventional way? That is the most important aspect. And for that purpose, we must apply international standards. ISO 50001 is called Energy Management System, which can help organize better usage of energy. And it has been shown that if we do that one, we can improve productivity. Now, what is happening now? At present, we are predominantly globally, or in India, in China, in the United States, who are the major polluters, we are using still predominantly fossil energy. And they are expecting that we want to reduce this from 85% to 75% by 2030. Because then it will reduce the greenhouse gas emission. It will increase. At the same time, the capacity of solar, wind, and bio and hydro, and to some places nuclear also increasing. So goal is from 75% of fossil energy to 50%, reduced by 2050. Okay, from 2030 to 2050, we want to have 50% of renewables coming, 50% reduction in overall greenhouse gases. And that is what the goal we are looking for. That is what is happening at United Nations and various accords. Okay? To make this happen, we have to do something. At present, we are using, yes, we like it or not, predominantly coal-fired power station in India, China, some part of Asia, and even after Trump has been elected, he is reviving coal. Coal is also used in other parts of the world. Okay. Now, it has been found that it is very polluting, not only greenhouse gases, but other pollutants are there. The question arises, what we would like to do? Continue with this choice of using fossilized energy, or we shift. Okay. We shift to using science, technology, engineering, even arts and mathematics. They call STEAM education. STEAM, okay, photovoltaic solars, thermal solars, microgrids, wind, okay, and even waste to energy. Now you have a choice. If you have a choice, which one you would choose? The casts on the left-hand side, or smart and jackass on the right-hand side? Just put in chat box, whichever is your choice. Which one you would use? In this case, if you have made a choice, then that will decide, is it going to pollute more, or it is going to reduce pollution? Okay. So I'm sure most of you would like to do a smart choice, right? Smart. I know smart means, many times we say smart means, you must have heard this special dialogue, okay, हमारे पास smart devices है, 5G है, AI है, analytics है, AR/VR है, आपके पास क्या है? We have smart devices, 5G, I'm going for 6G also, AI, AR/VR, analytics. What do you have? And will we become smart by using this Industry 4.0 and for devices, and they're talking about Industry 5.0? Will we become? Okay, will we become smart? Put in chat box, what is your view? Just having these devices. Okay. And digitization is everywhere. Right? We are talking about AI, digitization, which affect the energy consumption. Obviously, it can make our use of energy efficient, but at the same time, it will increase energy consumption, drive the economic growth. Yes, it is there. Data centers consume huge quantity of electricity and water also. And if this electricity, as I mentioned, is generated at present using fossilized energy, then there will be more what they call greenhouse gas emission and pollution. And that pollution nowadays it travels. You have seen it, okay? Pollution travels. So what we are looking for is a smart grid, smart energy, smart grid, correct? Smart grid. And what are the features of that smart grid? Smart grids means it has got smart meters, intelligent sensors, info communication, analytics, big data, AI, you name it, okay? They can now be integrated with the conventional power stations like thermal and nuclear and hydro, at the same time with the new and renewable energies like photovoltaic, wind generator, hydraulic owners, and also sometimes the electric vehicles can be used as a source also when they are not in use. Batteries. So this is called the smart grid. So if we are using smart grid where we are managing very well and you're using more and more of new and renewables, then our pollution will go down. And as a result, we will have a better choice. So I would like to show this short video. Is it audible, ma'am?
Yeah.
Strategies for accelerating energy transition towards net zero vision. The unprecedented pandemic, climate crisis, and global conflicts have adversely affected energy transition goals set at the Paris and Glasgow Accords. The top three most significant greenhouse gas emitters, China, the United States of America, and India, have, in principle, set a goal for net zero emissions by the years 2060, 2050, and 2070 respectively. As the world economy attempts to recover from unprecedented pandemics, demand for energy is increasing, and is expected to increase further. Consequently, energy prices and inflation have been rising. While attempts are continuing to address supply-side constraints, they are predominantly focused on fossil energy. In view of almost negligible greenhouse gas emissions and energy security issues, proponents are once again promoting nuclear energy. On the other hand, efforts for the substantial deployment of clean energy resources, including green hydrogen, to address the energy supply, have been made. They are constrained by low reliability, storage, higher cost, and transfer of technology. Measures such as energy conservation, energy efficiency, and clean and green energy technologies in the entire energy supply chain have to be adopted as advocated in the International Energy Management Standard, ISO 50001. In addition, research, development, and deployment of smart, clean, and green energy technologies need to be accelerated. Smart grids, microgrids, smart meters, data analytics, artificial intelligence, and digital twins have a crucial role in the efficient management of the power and energy sector. What strategies can, therefore, be adopted, adapted, and accelerated for an energy transition towards net zero vision is the theme of this presentation.
I would like to express my appreciation to collaborator Ajay Venappu, who has nicely prepared this video. Okay. Now this brings us now how we can now synergize. We have looked at it, how we can get intelligent transportation, and we can how we can get smart energy. And using this 4-quadrant method, there are 4 quadrants, and one by one we will define what these quadrants are. Low to high, intelligent transportation, and low to high, smart energy. Organizers, can you stop the person who is talking? You can mute him. Thank you. Okay. Okay. The first quadrant where there is a low smart energy, low intelligent transportation is we call emerging one, because everything is developing, is emerging, and we are calling it brown quadrant. Many countries at present are in the emerging state. However, there are certain countries who have gone and installed more and more renewables. Examples are China, India, and some European countries who have been installing and started using more and more renewables. So they're moving towards the smart energy, and also the smart grids structure is coming, microgrid structure is coming. Okay. On the other hand, there are also many countries who have developed electric vehicle, intelligent vehicle, autonomous vehicle. As I mentioned to you, there are countries wherein the metros are driverless. They are controlled intelligently, and that has helped reduce the accident and increase the throughput. Intelligent transportation. Okay. They're talking about robo taxis. Okay. You can call autonomous vehicle as a taxis, and you can use that. So intelligent transportation, some countries are higher in that. Some countries are still developing. So what we want is obviously develop on both sides, and then so that we achieve the sustainable, smart, and intelligent quadrant. This is what we are recommending: synergizing smart energy and intelligent transportation. Because more and more intelligent devices we use, we need more and more electricity. And more electricity must come from smart energy devices, okay? Sources. If that happens, then we have achieved what they call smart energy, intelligent transportation grid, synergized way. You can see in this slide very well, okay? All different types of electric vehicles, autonomous vehicles, autonomous, okay, devices, smart devices, even improving the transportation of the airplanes, okay? And that is what we are looking for. If that happens, we are on the way. Yes, it is not easy, I know. It is not easy. There are many possibilities. And one of them is they call use of fuel cell, in which hydrogen is used along with the catalyst, and electricity is generated, and the exhaust is water. Okay, and this is where they are discussing about how to reduce the pollution. This is one of the ways, okay, one of the ways. And they have designed zero emission hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. They are there as a demonstration vehicles in many parts of the world now, okay, including India. They are demonstration type because their cost is high and they need to do the lots of research. So it means science is coming, applied science here, engineering. There is a scope to do more research in this one so that they will become affordable and important. So do you like surprises? Okay, if yes, then you can put in chat box, yes, you like it, because, okay, what we'll do, I'll quickly show this one, not full one, because this is also about the smart one. Okay. Applied science also part is there.
climate change and the need for clean energy. Our reliance on fossil fuels is causing a critical problem: climate change. Burning coal and natural gas releases greenhouse gases that trap heat, leading to rising global temperatures, disrupted weather patterns, and environmental threats. To combat this, we need a clean energy revolution. Renewable sources like solar, wind, and geothermal offer a promising solution. But they have a key limitation: intermittency. Solar panels work only during sunlight hours, and wind turbines rely on wind speeds. This inconsistency makes integrating them into the existing power grid challenging. Hydrogen, a clean energy carrier. This is where hydrogen, H2, gas enters the scene. Hydrogen, the simplest element, is a versatile energy carrier. It can store energy and be used as a clean fuel, emitting only water vapor when used. Hydrogen boasts several advantages. It has a high energy density, making it ideal for transportation and energy storage. When used in a fuel cell, it burns cleanly, emitting only water vapor and electricity, offering a significant environmental benefit compared to fossil fuels. Additionally, hydrogen is versatile, with applications in electricity generation, transportation, and even industrial processes. The key to unlocking hydrogen's potential is green hydrogen production. This is where engineering takes center stage. Green hydrogen is produced through a process called electrolysis. This method uses renewable energy sources like solar or wind power to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. A specialized device called an electrolyzer uses the electricity from renewable sources to drive this reaction. By focusing on green hydrogen production, we can unlock the full potential of hydrogen as a clean and sustainable energy source. There are several options for producing green hydrogen, each with its own strengths and weaknesses.
So now, because of time limitation, I will stop that video. Later on, whenever we have a chance, we can discuss. I'm very happy to report that Indian Railways made a decision in August 2021 that they want to experiment using hydrogen fuel-based technology. In August 2025, the first hydrogen-powered train, was tested. So India's first hydrogen train powered has been successfully tested and is ready to roll out. They say it will be tested between somewhere in Haryana. So India is also moving in that direction. It's a good direction. So they are showing to the world they can lead. So what is needed now? As I mentioned, yes, we have clean energy sources. We have intelligent transportation. But there is a need to synergize them. To synergize them, that is where role of AI, intelligent software, cloud comes into picture. Yes, what they are viewing is that we need IoTs and sensors. Organizer, please, can you please? Okay, thank you. Okay, we need to use more and more IoTs, IoTs, sensors, smart sensors, as you can shown in this figure, along with your app, which can plan your journey, whether you want to use ground transportation and road transportation or metro or ferry or aeroplane. And they can be synchronized such that they use less energy, emit less carbon dioxide. For that purpose, we need a smart energy to supply to those ones. So if we combine all these ones, which requires we the people to integrate them, And if you do that one, we have got nicely synergized smart grid with intelligent transportation system. Intelligent transportation system. The question arises, is Make in India, Digital India, Smart City, Clean India, Self-Reliant, Atmanirbhar, Vikasit Bharat 2047 vision feasible without quality, secure, and reliable availability of affordable, renewable, smart energy, and intelligent transportation. Because transportation contributes substantial amount of greenhouse gas emission and pollution. What do you think? What do you think? If you can put in chat box, is it feasible without this one? If answer is no, then that is where we can carry out the more research. I'll be very happy to share with you more and more because of time limitation. I'm just sharing you with this vision. We are promoting this vision, synergizing smart energy and intelligent transportation. This is just a keynote. We conduct the full faculty development program, which can synergize smart energy and intelligent transportation. And I'm happy to share with you, this has been generated using AI. Okay, this graph is, this infographics, they call it, is generated using AI. Okay, today only. Okay, today only. I say, okay, I do have something, but to share with you, it means we can use AI for good purpose, where we can enhance productivity, efficiency, and make it useful for humanity. It is possible. Okay. Those who want to read my thoughts and views, you can join on LinkedIn. I do write some of the things. I do share those things I just mentioned to you. And we offer, as I mentioned, different types of faculty development program. I'm happy that for your college, I've done a couple of them. We continue to offer, whether it's sustainable development, smart, clean, and green future, nurturing research pro mindset, problem and project-based learning, design thinking, you name it, okay? Because we have got a pool of experts. Okay, we are delivered for various organizations, not only for one college, various organizations, hundreds of guest lectures, seminars, webinars, keynotes, student development program, faculty development program, teachers development program, research development program, management development program, and we share research article, policy papers. So feel free to connect with us. So what we have now shared with you, how we can synergize smart energy, intelligent transportation to achieve the goal which we have to operate in future in smart and intelligent quadrant. Okay, with this one, now you can take this intelligent transportation, which have been powered by the smart energy. You're back to the airport, one of the smartly designed airport, eco-friendly. Okay, you're back again, do it, and after after your luggage has been sanitized, you can use QR code. You're at the gate, board your flight, or if you want to enjoy a ferry, you can board your ferry. And our captain, our pilot, Professor Sarkar, is leading us after visiting virtually the smart energy and intelligent transportation land. Okay. I wish you all the best. You are back to your own place. I'm very happy to share this with you. And if you have any questions, I'll be glad to answer them. Back to you, ma'am. I know Vittal Giriji, you have raised hand. I was not sure what was it regarding. Was it regarding the questions, or you were not hearing properly, or whatever? Now we have time for question, ma'am. Sarkar, aap yahan.
Thank you, sir. You were absolutely audible during the session. I request the participants, if they have any question, they can please raise their questions. Thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Yeah, I think Professor Vittal Giri has raised hand. So you want to say something, or what is? I do not know.
Vittal Giri, sir, please unmute your phone.
Yeah, I think Professor Vittal Giri has raised hand. So they want to say something, or what is? I do not know.
Vittal Giri, sir, please unmute your phone. 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 Vittal Giri, sir, please unmute your Vittalgiri sir, I think is unable
By
to.
mistake, otherwise it may be by mistake. Okay.
Yes,
Then
yes.
leave it. Okay, I leave it to our Dean and Professor Carr to make any comments. Otherwise, thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, sir, for delivering such an inspiring keynote address. Your knowledge, experience, and encouraging words have added great value and a positive tone to the conference. Before we move forward, let us take a moment to give tribute to our former Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Ajit Pawar, sir. Shri Ajit Pawar was a well-known leader of Maharashtra who has dedicated his life to public service. He was known for his strong leadership, clear thinking, and ability to take quick and firm decisions. Throughout his political career, he has worked for the development of the state, especially in areas like infrastructure, irrigation, and administration. He is respected for his hard work, discipline, and commitment to the people. Even in difficult situations, he has shown courage and responsibility. His experience and practical approach has helped Maharashtra move forward. Shri Ajit Pawar ji contributed to the state. It will always be remembered, and he continues to inspire many with his dedication and determination. Let us take a moment to give Ajit Pawar ji a tribute. Our heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family. May they find strength and comfort during this difficult time. Let us take a moment to give his family condolences. Thank you so much, everyone. On behalf of the institution, Padma Shri Dr. V.B. Kolte College of Engineering, I express my sincere gratitude to our management, organizing committee, faculty coordinators whose efforts have made this conference possible. I would graciously thank our keynote speaker, Dr. Deepak Vaikar sir, for joining us online and sparing his valuable time.
Madam, your voice is big.
She's, I think, a connectivity issue as mentioned by Professor Karchiji, Anilji. Namaste, Anilji, and
Jadhav sir, Professor Yogesh Jadhav, unmute your.
Yes, sir. Everyone, thank you for cooperation and all things in our conference. most of the effort with the conference committee member, principal sir, and other participants. Thank you to all guests. Thank you. I declare this inauguration program is over. Thank you.